Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling when your space is tidy and organized? It sparks a special kind of joy, doesn't it? Well, bringing plants into your home can spark that same joy. But what if I told you there are plants that practically thrive on neglect? Plants so easy and low maintenance, they practically water themselves. Today, we're diving into 10 super easy indoor plants that even the most forgetful plant parents can keep alive. So whether you have a brown thumb or just need some low-maintenance greenery in your life, this video is for you. Let's jump in. First, we have the incredible snake plant. With its tall, sculptural leaves, it brings a touch of modern elegance to any corner. Imagine this. You can forget to water this beauty for weeks, and it'll still stand tall and proud, looking absolutely amazing. Plus, it cleans your air. Next, we have the ZZ plant, a plant as practical as it is beautiful. It's almost impossible to kill because it cleverly stores water in its stems. This means it can survive weeks, sometimes even months, without a single drink. That's the magic of the ZZ plant. Now, let's talk about the aloe vera plant, a plant that not only sparks joy with its presence, but also with its practicality. Not only is it super easy to care for, but it's also incredibly useful. Got a sunburn? Simply snip a leaf from your aloe vera, and the gel inside will soothe and heal. Pothos, a waterfall of greenery, effortlessly elegant. This plant is so forgiving that even if you forget about it for a little while, it'll keep thriving, cascading over shelves or gracefully trailing from a hanging basket. Just picture it, a waterfall of vibrant green, effortlessly adding life and freshness to your space. Our next plant brings a touch of luck and prosperity to your home. The jade plant. It holds water in its thick, glossy leaves, so overwatering is actually worse than a little neglect. It teaches us a valuable lesson. Sometimes, less is more. Now let's explore the wonders of the spider plant. Not only is it incredibly easy to care for, but it also multiplies its joy by growing adorable baby spider plants. Plus, just like a tidy home promotes well-being, the spider plant cleans the air in your home, creating a healthier and happier environment. Now let's talk about a plant that exudes sophistication and elegance, the rubber plant. Imagine this. You walk into a room and your eyes are immediately drawn to its large, glossy leaves, reflecting the light like polished gems. Just give its leaves an occasional wipe to keep them dust-free and shining, and this beauty will reward you with its striking presence. Another great one is the cacti. Cacti are practically impossible to kill. They're survivors, thriving in the harshest of desert conditions. As long as they get plenty of light and their soil dries out completely between waterings, they'll be perfectly content. Tiny succulent. These little rosette-shaped succulents are so incredibly pretty, they look like miniature works of art. They require almost no care, just a sunny spot and an occasional drink. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest things bring the greatest joy. Philodendron, a classic beauty that purifies and delights. Just like certain possessions hold sentimental value, the philodendron holds a special place in the hearts of plant lovers. Philodendrons grow quickly, require minimal care, and are masters at purifying the air, creating a healthier and more vibrant living space. Happy, low-maintenance greenery. Which plant sparks your joy? These plants are proof that you don't need a green thumb to enjoy the beauty and serenity of nature indoors. So, which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant tips. See you next time, and happy planting!